Yo, hello everybody. Today we got a beautiful review for you guys. So, if you checked out my previous unboxing, if you didn't, you should go check that out. I did an unboxing for the brand new Lush candles, so go check that out right now. If you want to see the products opened up in detail and talked about right off, like my first impressions. But now is for the review. So I'm gonna do my first, like, another kind of first impression where I actually open up the seal and smell them more for a little bit more, take some more time on it, some more whiffing, some more thinking about it, light them up, and then I'll come back and sum it up in another segment in this video. The end will be me summing it up. Where I've actually used it for like a little bit, so maybe like in a week or two, I'll finish this video to actually talk about like the progress of the candle, how fast they burn, like all that kind of stuff, to actually give a good review. Because you can't just, it's like journalists. They'll like gaming journalists or something. They'll play a video game for like 2 seconds and then give their review. Like, no, you have to actually try the product. You have to use the product. You have to know the product to give a review on it. Or else it's just some non-making sense stupid shit. And that's not what we do here. This is the vibes, and it's authentic, it's real, so that's what we're talking about. That's what we got. So, look at my plants. They're doing so well in here. I need to water them. Like my hanging plants, my favorite one. Getting sidetracked. Bam, bam, bam. Candle time. Oh my goodness. I am excited for this. Okay. My favorite one first. Sleepy. My favorite collection. Scented candle, relax and unwind in a cloud of dreamy lavender. They have the best lavender. But this one's got Lang Lang. So I talked about that in my last video. How it's like new and all that. Blah, blah, blah. They're approximately 12 hours. Or like how Lush has been using it a lot more, it seems. And like advertising a lot more. It seems like it's coming into the market, making a storm. Especially for like essential oils. So we'll peel this. Sticker on the bottom. Because it says peel for ingredients. And safety warning. Boop, boop, boop. Warning, warning. Bro, are they sure that this peels? Oh, crap. How do I... Do they use, like, some special, like, non-heating glue on, like, candles? Because the glue is so whack. Oh, it worked. Here we go. Oh, it opens, like, a little booklet, too. So you don't need, like, you could still keep it sealed. Ah, that's kind of nice. I didn't realize that. See? Boop. Warning, may contain an allergic skin reaction. So yeah, that's one thing I want to talk about in this video. Was like, I don't really want to encourage you to just like go out and get candles if you're not really into it, or like, it's probably something you should stay away from if you don't need them. If you're not smelling, if you don't need extra smells, you can always like use other things for smells too, because you're gonna be breathing this into your lungs. I'm a smoker, like I smoke a lot of weed, so it helps with the smell for the weed. But I am already breathing in so much fucking plant matter. I don't really care. My lungs are already fucked. So, you know, it's just something that you should pay attention to, because you're obviously going to be breathing in. Anything you breathe into your lungs is going to be dangerous. So you got to watch out for that. Irritation. Avoid releasing to the environment. Yeah, what the, like, obviously the toxins in it. It's like, don't release it into the environment. Like, what? What the heck? And it's like, if it gets on your skin, like, wash thoroughly, get medical advice. Like, what the fuck did they put in here, bro? Vegan. That's good. To remove any pesky residue from your glass jar, simply pop in the freezer till cold and tap out. That's kind of cool. I didn't know that wax just, like, you can freeze it and then it'll break out. That's actually smart then. Is there no, like, metal in here, though? Because I know in most candles there's like a metal thing that's stuck at the bottom. But that's good to know. I'll actually put a lot of my things in the freezer from now on until I clean them out. I didn't know that. Move all the packaging before lighting. Keep wicks trimmed. So yeah, that's one thing. I don't think these are like really heat resistant containers very much. There's no like metal in them or anything. Okay. Yep. Not gonna read the label. It's a lot of random just garbage, like just like random copy pasta. And then we got the label on the top too, which I talked about in the last video. Now to actually open it up and give it a smell. And it really does smell like, that's so nice. It smells like more like the Sleepy soap compared to like the Twilight spray. I do want to rip off the sticker on the bottom just to see what's on the bottom, like what the candle's actually like made of. Yeah, no, it's just pure candle pour all the way through. Oh, there's a metal thing for the wick. Like, it is just a classic wick. Maybe I'll leave the label on. It looks ugly without it. First impression, it's like sleepy, but then I guess the Lang Lang oils or something, or like all like the ingredients, the wax ingredients and stuff, make it more like pungenty. Oh, it's gonna smell so good lit. Like, I can never find good lavender smells too, especially for candles. They all smell really crappy, and I've been like looking for so long. I like there's one that I have. It's like the lemon lavender Yankee candle. Yankee makes good candles, but they're only in the States now, so I can't even get them anymore. And I've been waiting for Lush to do something like this. So yeah, that's super lavendery. Very nice. This is actually better than the first time I smelled it. It smells like very like light and like sweet, like super sweet and like fresh. With a little bit of like earthiness to it, you know? Like a little bit of that like the olive branch kind of. So I'm not too familiar with the olive branch line, but sorry, I'm always checking to make sure the video is still recording because Apple. But yeah, find peace with the citrusy and woodsy. Yeah, makes sense. Bergamot, orange, flower, and oak moss. So it is really like you get more of that sweet side with that hint of like the orange and woodsy behind it, which is really nice. I love these candles. Just wish they're a little bit bigger. Like, they're so expensive for like what you get, but like I guess quality over quantity. And it doesn't even say how many milligrams there, does it? Oh, they're only 75 grams. So that's not very much. Like, what's an average candle? Like, probably like 125 grams or something, or more, like 200 grams. These are very small. Oh well, very nice though. And like, I guess like luxury candles anyways, like it's probably fair price. Like, I have this one like I've seen so many candles where it's like $30 for those like 175, $200 gram one or 200 gram ones. Like this one right here, which is like, I think it's like 30 or 40 bucks. It's like my favorite candle ever. Oh, this doesn't say how many grams it is, but it's probably like 200 grams or something. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, I got it mainly because of the hemp, but then like the cedar amber. Oh god, it's so good. I'm getting sidetracked. I'll make a separate video for this because it's so good. So these are probably like at least 150, probably I would say 200 grams. So these are pretty small but fair price for like that luxury range. It's like this is pretty much the same price, I would say, for like any kind of luxury candle. So I guess that's fair. Can't get samples of the candles, too bad. And then we got Orange Blossom for some more citrusy. So uplifting blend of orange, neroli, and sandalwood gives your room a big comforting hug. And I think in my unboxing, my first impression was it was very like more sandalwoody than orange. But now I'm smelling the orange more. Like, I guess it just depends like what you're thinking of when you smell it also. It's probably a lot of just like placebo. Because if you read it first then smell it, or if you smell it first then read it. Oh. I can see why I thought it was more sandalwoody though, but it's pretty evenly balanced. I really like these candles. That's what's very nice is like the ingredients are all very well balanced, made properly. That's why I love this company, because they actually have people who have degrees making this stuff. Oh, that's so good. Okay, well, now I'll have to light them up one at a time, test them out, and yeah, I'll have to let you guys know how they are in the future. This video is a work in progress, so stay tuned. Yay, the first candle I'm gonna test out. Sleepy. Ooh, I'm so excited. So, say you need to air freshen your place, your room, your apartment, your house. Whip out a candle. Say it's just a bit stinky. Maybe you're cooking. You need to get the smoke from the cooking clear. Maybe you're a smoker. Maybe you're a stoner. I'm a stoner. So you know I gotta keep it fresh. My apartment never even smells like weed. People are like, wait, you smoke weed? And I'm like, Lush. Lush is beautiful. Lush everywhere. Maybe you just want to relax for like anxiety or depression, or like the name, Sleepy. It is great for helping you get to sleep. That's one of the, I would say it's like a kind of like, not medicinal, like what's the word? Like, not pseudoscience, I don't even know the word of it, but like, it's really good. There's been studies on lavender for anxiety, depression, helping with that. So it's actually coming to light. People have been looking into that a lot more recently, researching that. I definitely think it's 100% valid, especially the study. There's some studies that even show that. It's just tough to prove. I think smells are a great thing, and they should be incorporated into people's lives more, like more natural, healthy smells, because of their beneficial properties for that, because it goes through your different brain signaling systems. I can make more videos on this if you guys are interested, if you're interested in the neuroscience. What I was trying to think of is like aromatherapies. So like aromatherapies are a great therapeutic tool for anxiety and stress like that. There's so many different therapeutic tools. It's definitely a beneficial one. Even they'll help with like meditation, all kinds of things like that. So yeah, it's very interesting, very nice indeed how it has that science behind it. That's one of the reasons I started shopping at Lush, is because how the lavender actually helped me with my anxiety, or just like to relax, help me sleep, help me just yeah, chill. See, I need to go like an angle. That's why it's up your trouble. That hurt my hand. Let me burn some of my eyebrows off. Gods. So it smells like wick so far, with that mix of sleepy, but more of like a bathroomy sleepy smell. I don't know, more. So I think it's like more on the lavendery side. Maybe they couldn't use as many of the other like natural chemical product, like natural ingredients. That's the word I'm trying to think of. They couldn't use any of the other natural ingredients in this because it's a candle, so they probably just can't use that kind of stuff. But it still smells really similar to it though. Like, it's really good. So far, it actually burns really fast, noticing. So that's not the best. I wish it would burn slower. That'd probably be the benefit of like a wood wick, maybe. I don't really know the science of wicks. Anyways, yeah, it's more of a subtle smell. It doesn't like immediately like kind of blast you away with that like very pungent tea candle perfumey smell. It's more of just like a nice natural air freshening. Not even like an air freshener. Air fresheners are usually like chemical blasting, like really like powerful things, but this is just not overpowering at all. It's very, very subtle and kind of just filling the air with that light scent. So it's very nice though. Yeah, I'll have to stay tuned for more to see what else, how else I like these candles, and the next ones will be up soon when I try them out. Yay! Time to try the olive branch. I have it with my little Buddha, my little owl friend here. Oh, so excited. Maya's chilling. You're enjoying the smells. Smells like fresh. Ooh. Lush store. This must be what they use for like their main scent. Maybe they like pump this down into the store. Maybe like the spray or whatever, because I know I've tried the spray in the store before. So maybe like they spray it in the store kind of thing. I don't know, but yeah, it's like the main smell I always think of. So my review for this one is, it's a pretty basic smell. Like, you pretty much get what the title says. It's like orangey and florally. Nothing too crazy, but it's nice because it's got the natural Lush component to it. It doesn't smell as good as the orange blossom, the sweet orange blossom hand cream. I thought it'd be more like that, but yeah, the candles are very subtle smells, but they're still very nice. They don't fill the room too crazy. Just kind of sad how small they are, and they're definitely not going to be burning for like as long as advertised. I'll have to try and cut the wick short. I don't know. Yeah, they burn crazy fast. Like, you can already see how much is gone. It's only been like 20 minutes, I guess. So that's crazy. Like, this definitely probably not even 10 hours of burn time. And they boast all the way up to 15. But, yep, pretty basic orange and flowery smell. At first, I thought it was like rosy, but I guess it's more like just like flowery. Yeah, citrusy. Still nice, though. Can't go wrong. Love it. Love them. Probably give them around an 8 out of 10. Still needs to be worked on, probably. It's their first one. So, yeah. Especially in like the home decor scent like kind of category. All right, thanks guys. So helps to freshen up your space, make it more your own, and it's natural. Yeah. Peace.